fan that will be removed. Tools that we'll need: the rubber mount with the rubber washer. So I'm just going to show you how to remove a PC fan, particularly with these little rubber clips, which can be a bit more of a pain than a screw, because you've got a rivet coming through and it clips into both of those little pops. So I'm just going to use a simple kitchen knife to pry off on this side, pry the rivet off on this side, and use a pair of pliers. They don't need to be anything substantial, this is like a penknife kind of version, to squeeze the rubber mounts to allow the rivet to be pulled out from the other side. So that's one I've done already. You've got to you don't need the knife, but it just makes it a bit easier. And once you've done the first pull out, you can pull it with your fingers. It comes out like that.